What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon put in work, and we here to talk about Bitcoin versus gold. Which one should you invest in? Let's go. Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic again. Bitcoin versus gold. Which one should you invest in? All right. So let's first start off. What is Bitcoin and what is gold as an investment for those that don't know? All right. So Bitcoin is one of the first digital currencies to use peer-to-peer technology to facilitate instant payments. The independent individuals and companies who own governing computing power and participate in the Bitcoin network are comprised of nodes or miners, as defined on Investopedia.com. All right, so basically, the breakdown to that is that Bitcoin is used to send money to anyone that has a Bitcoin account. Okay, so a lot of times it's not something that the government can track. It's not something that the normal person can figure out. It's a lot of algorithms, a lot of numbers, there's a lot of things covering those transfers of money. That's why Bitcoin is so popular. All right. Now, gold. Gold as an investment. Of all the precious metals, gold is the most popular as an investment. Investors generally buy gold as a way of diversifying risk, especially through the use of futures contracts and derivatives. The gold market is subject to speculation and validity, as are other metals out there, okay, as per Wikipedia.com. So basically what that means is gold is a tangible investment, all right? It's volatile, so it goes up, down. There's a lot of future contracts on that. We're going to go over that in another video. And the gold market is something that used to be very volatile compared to everything else, but Bitcoin kind of took the reign on that. Bitcoin is more volatile than gold. To be honest, it rises, it spikes, it crashes within one day. So you have to be prepared for the ups and downs when it comes to investing in these types of types of assets. Okay, so basically the major difference between gold and Bitcoin is that one is actually a digital asset and one is a physical asset. So you can touch one, which is gold, you can touch that, but Bitcoin you can't touch, right? So that's the major difference in what they are. Now, let's talk about what they're used for. Now, gold has a lot of different uses. It's not just used for jewelry like most people think. It's actually used for electronics, phones, medicine, and even dentistry, okay? Now, Bitcoin has brought an awareness of blockchain technology and has proved its value for more than investing purposes. It is also used as a tool for people without access to banking infrastructure and traditional means of finance, such as credit. With Bitcoin, these individuals can send value across the globe with almost no fee, like I said before. It is possible that other cryptocurrencies will take advantage of this opportunity, but right now, Bitcoin is the big boy on the block. All right. So, which should you invest in, right? Which one should you go for? Well, let me start by saying I'm not your financial advisor, and these statements are for entertainment purposes only. It should not be construed as me giving you advice and on any investments or anything like that. Any investments you make are done at your own risk. All right. So with that being said, Bitcoin is way more volatile when compared to gold, like I said before. Now, gold is more of a long-term play for your investment portfolio. Even though Bitcoin is starting to prove itself as being useful, it still has a long way to go when compared to gold. Gold is and I think will always be a long-term play for investors, and Bitcoin is the short-term play. You should invest your money based on your goals, though, okay? So if you're looking for a quick come up on your money, then Bitcoin might be something you need to look at. And if you're wanting to go for a long-term approach, then gold is where you can park your money and see it grow safely. There are a bunch of analysts in the financial markets making a case for Bitcoin to be the next gold. I'm not sure about that, though. But I do know one thing. Both are here to stay, and I personally recommend to buy gold and Bitcoin if you can. This way you can stay protected in the market and you can be diversified if something ever happens. So there you have it. That's pretty much Bitcoin versus gold, okay? So do remember, I'm not your financial advisor. Okay, basically I'm not your mom. No. I'm just giving you my opinion, and this is for your entertainment only, okay? Any money you invest in your risk, any money you invest in anything is your risk and your risk only. So thanks for watching, man. I appreciate everybody that subscribes to the channel. Also, like this video, helps the channel a lot. Also, don't forget all my links in my description, okay? Sign up for the free newsletter, the Wealthbuilderz Business Corner, where we talk about making more money, saving more money, building your credit score, and business, all right? Check out the Wealthbuilderz System, where you learn how to option trade, create passive income, and get access to a way to make money from shopping online and build a business all online. Again, thanks for watching. This is the man, the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke, signing off for Bitcoin versus gold. Which one should you invest in? Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more.
It's the Wealthbuilderz, baby.